We're going to be doing an experiment to show the digestion of starch by amylase. Amylase is an enzyme that occurs in the digestive system, and we're going to prove that amylase will digest starch. We've got some starch solution here, and we can test for the presence of starch and therefore show that starch has disappeared, whether or not we get a reaction with iodine. This is iodine solution. If I put some starch solution in there with it, we get an inky blue-black colour. That's our baseline for this experiment. What we're going to do, if I measure out 10 cubic centimetres of the starch solution, there we are. What I'm going to do is put that into a test tube like that, and it's going into a water bath at 37 degrees Celsius, which is near enough body temperature, which is the temperature you'd expect this enzyme to work at. So what I'm going to do now is put some iodine into Dimples, and what we're going to do is test this at 1 minute intervals to see what's been happening to it. So that should now be near enough at 37 degrees. We're going to add 2 cubic centimetres of amylase solution. We're going to give that a quick mix, start the timer, and we'll see what happens minute by minute after they've been mixed. Okay, so we're going to mix the two, and start the timer. Okay, here's our first sample at 1 minute. Still going black, so we still have starch. Two minutes. It's still black. We still have starch. 3 minutes. 4 minutes. 47 minutes. Now we can see that the starch has all been broken down by the amylase. By the time we get to 45 minutes, there's now no longer any sort of blue-black colour with the iodine so that we know all the starch has gone from the solution. It's been digested, it's been broken down into glucose, and we have digestion.